63 books about money I read and my takeaways to help you manage your money. Part 1. 1. Rich Dad, Poor Dad, by Robert T. Kiyosaki. Financial education. Advocates learning about money through real-life experience and financial literacy, not just formal education. Assets over employment. Emphasizes acquiring assets that generate income over relying solely on a salary. Mindset shift. Encourages shifting from a paycheck mentality to thinking like an investor. Liabilities versus assets. Differentiates clearly between assets that put money in your pocket and liabilities that take money out. Financial independence. Stresses the importance of building wealth through investing in real estate and starting businesses. 1. The Intelligent Investor, by Benjamin Graham. Value investing. Focuses on fundamental analysis and looking for companies that are undervalued by the market. Investor psychology. Discusses the emotional discipline required to succeed in investing. Long-term strategy. Advocates a long-term approach to investment and warns against speculative trading. Margin of safety. Emphasizes the importance of this principle as a buffer against errors in judgment. Diversification. Recommends diversifying investments to manage risk effectively. 1. Think and Grow Rich, by Napoleon Hill. Power of thought. Promotes the idea that strong desires and thoughts translate into real financial achievement. Personal beliefs. Highlights the role of personal beliefs in achieving success and how to adapt them for financial gain. Setting goals. Stresses the necessity of setting specific financial goals to achieve wealth. Mastermind group. Advocates collaborating with like-minded individuals to leverage collective knowledge. Persistence. Emphasizes the need for persistence in overcoming obstacles and failures. 1. The Total Money Makeover, by Dave Ramsey. Debt-free living. Champions a lifestyle free of debt through the snowball method of paying off debts smallest to largest. Emergency fund. Urges readers to establish an emergency fund before investing. Cash system. Suggests using a cash envelope system to manage spending more effectively. Retirement savings. Encourages investing 15% of household income into Roth IRAs and pre-tax retirement plans. Wealth building. Teaches that financial security involves more than just eliminating debt. It also requires building wealth through saving and investing. 1. The Millionaire Next Door, by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko. Frugal living. Shows that most real millionaires live below their means and save meticulously. Economic independence. Describes how true financial wealth is measured by one's ability to live from the wealth generated by personal investments and assets. Income versus wealth. Differentiates between earning a high income and being truly wealthy. Avoiding display of wealth. Advises against extravagant spending to appear wealthy. Investment focus. Discusses how millionaires focus on investing and growing their assets. 1. Your Money or Your Life, by Vicki Robin and Joe Dominguez. Life energy. Equates money to the life energy spent to earn it and evaluates spending from this perspective. Financial independence. Defines financial independence as having enough income from investments to cover expenses without working. Mindful spending. Encourages thinking about whether spending aligns with personal values and goals. Tracking finances. Advocates meticulously tracking all income and expenses to understand financial habits. Investing for income. Recommends investing to generate passive income that can replace earned income over time. 1. The Richest Man in Babylon, by George S. Clason. Save wisely. Emphasizes saving at least 10% of every paycheck. Invest wisely. Advises careful evaluation of investment opportunities to avoid losses. Compound growth. Highlights the power of compound interest over time. Live below means. Encourages living within means and avoiding frivolous spending. Seek advice. Recommends seeking wisdom from those experienced in managing and growing wealth. 1. Money. Master the Game, by Tony Robbins. 7 Simple Steps. Outlines 7 steps to achieve financial freedom. Investment strategies. Shares insights from successful investors and strategies for building wealth. Fee management. Stresses the importance of minimizing fees in investment accounts to maximize returns. Emotional investment. discusses the psychological aspect of investing and how to overcome fear. Retirement planning focuses on creating a lifetime income plan for retirement. 1. The Little Book of Common Sense Investing by John C. Bogle. Index investing advocates for investing in low-cost index funds for long-term growth. Market returns emphasizes that capturing market returns is more effective than trying to beat the market. Power of compounding explains how reinvesting dividends leads to exponential growth of wealth. Cost efficiency highlights the importance of minimizing investment costs to maximize net returns. Long-term focus encourages a long-term, buy-and-hold investment philosophy. 1. The Wealthy Barber by David Chilton. Financial planning provides practical advice on personal finance through a fictional barber's wisdom. Saving 10% recommends saving 10% of your income for long-term growth. Insurance stresses the importance of having proper insurance to protect assets. Investment Basics teaches fundamental principles of investing, including retirement planning. Estate planning covers basic estate planning and the importance of wills. 1. I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi. Automated Finances promotes setting up automated systems for payments and savings to streamline finances. Conscious Spending focuses on spending money on what truly matters personally, rather than frugality. Investing Simplified offers simple strategies for effective investing without the overwhelm. Negotiating Salaries provides tactics for negotiating higher salaries and rates. Rich Life Philosophy encourages a balanced approach to spending and saving for a rich life, not just rich finances. 1. The Boglehead's Guide to Investing by Taylor Larimore, Michael LeBoeuf, and Mel Lindauer. Boglehead philosophy emphasizes long-term investing, low costs, and simplicity. Diversification advocates for broad diversification to reduce risk. Tax efficiency discusses how to manage investments for tax efficiency. De-investing promotes self-directed, do-it-yourself investing based on sound principles. Retirement planning provides guidance on saving for retirement using tax-advantaged accounts. 1. The Simple Path to Wealth by J. L. Collins. Financial Independence describes the importance of financial independence and how to achieve it. Stock investment recommends heavy allocation to stocks for long-term growth, specifically through index funds. Debt avoidance advises avoiding debt to maintain financial freedom. Money management simplifies money management to a few key decisions that have a large impact. Freedom and flexibility stresses that financial independence offers the freedom to make life choices without financial constraints. 1. A Random Walk Down Wall Street by Burton G. Malkiel. Market efficiency argues that asset prices exhibit signs of a random walk and thus cannot be consistently outperformed. Portfolio management discusses various forms of portfolio management, including both passive and active strategies. Risk assessment encourages investors to understand and manage the risks associated with their investment choices. Investment myths debunks common myths and misconceptions about stock market investing. Behavioral finance introduces concepts from behavioral finance that explain why people can make irrational financial decisions. 1. The Automatic Millionaire by David Bach. Pay Yourself First emphasizes the importance of automatically directing a portion of your income into savings and investments before anything else. Automate Everything advocates automating all aspects of financial planning, from bill payments to investments. Latte Factor introduces the concept of how small, regular savings can grow into significant wealth over time. Homeownership encourages buying a home as a form of forced savings and wealth accumulation. 16. Freakonomics by Stephen D. Levitt and Stephen J. Dubner. Economic Incentives explores how economic incentives drive human behavior in unexpected and often hidden ways. Data Analysis demonstrates the power of data in debunking common myths and uncovering truths. Real-world examples uses engaging stories from real life to illustrate complex economic theories and principles. Behavioral economics introduces concepts from behavioral economics to explain non-rational elements of economic decision-making. 17. Flash Boys, by Michael Lewis. High-frequency trading focuses on the world of high-frequency trading and the impact it has on financial markets. Market Inequities reveals how technological advancements have led to new forms of market manipulation and inequities. Wall Street Exposed offers an insider's look at Wall Street and the technological arms race affecting global finance. Ethical Concerns discusses the ethical considerations and the fairness in financial markets. 18. The Big Short, by Michael Lewis. 2008 Financial Crisis chronicles the build-up to the subprime mortgage crisis and the savvy investors who profited from it. Investment Strategies details the unconventional strategies used by investors who predicted the financial crash. Market Flaws highlights the flaws in the financial system that allowed for the accumulation of unsustainable risks. Personal Stories provides deep dives into the personal stories of key players in the market during the crisis. 19. Liar's Poker, by Michael Lewis. Wall Street Culture offers a candid look at the aggressive and sometimes ruthless culture of Wall Street in the 1980s. Bond Trading focuses on the rise of the bond market and the people who dominated it. Corporate Greed discusses the themes of greed and corruption within the banking industry. Career Reflections reflects on the author's personal experiences as a bond salesman for Salomon Brothers. Economic Lessons draws lessons about the broader economic and regulatory environment of the time. 20. The Dundo Investor, by Manish Pabrai. Value Investing emphasizes low-risk, high-uncertainty investments following the Dundo, or Endeavor, framework. Patel Motel Phenomenon analyzes how a particular community, the Patels, succeeded in America through frugal, value-focused investing strategies. Simple Investment Philosophy breaks down complex investment strategies into simple, actionable methods. Risk Management advocates for minimizing risk while maximizing potential returns. 21. Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits, by Philip Fisher. Growth Investing introduces the concept of growth investing and focusing on companies with potential for long-term growth. Scuttlebutt Method advocates for the scuttlebutt method, or gathering information from various sources to make informed investment decisions. Qualitative Analysis stresses the importance of qualitative factors like management quality and company culture. Long-term Perspective encourages a long-term view on investments, looking beyond short-term fluctuations. Influential Frameworks lays out 15 points to look for in a good stock investment, influencing generations of investors. 22. Security Analysis, by Benjamin Graham and David Dodd. Foundation of Value Investing provides the foundational text for value investing, teaching how to assess the intrinsic value of a security. Analytical Tools offers detailed methodologies for analyzing stocks and bonds based on financial fundamentals. Market Psychology explores how market psychology can affect investment decisions and market outcomes. Historical Context places financial analysis within the context of various market conditions. 23. The Four Pillars of Investing, by William Bernstein. Investment Theory covers the theory and history behind investing, helping investors understand the market dynamics. Portfolio Building guides on building a robust investment portfolio that can withstand market fluctuations. Risk Management emphasizes the importance of understanding and managing risk. Financial History provides insights from financial history to help predict future trends and avoid common pitfalls. 24. The Essays of Warren Buffett, by Lawrence Cunningham. Warren Buffett's Philosophy compiles Warren Buffett's annual letters to shareholders, offering insights into his investment strategies and thoughts on business and finance. Corporate Governance discusses Buffett's perspectives on corporate governance and economic policy. Investment Principles distills fundamental investment principles from Buffett's extensive career. Economic Reflections reflects on broader economic trends and their impacts on investing. Timeless Wisdom provides timeless wisdom on value investing, personal integrity, and corporate responsibility. 25. Fooled by Randomness, by Nassim Nicholas Taleb. Role of Chance examines the often underestimated role of randomness in financial markets and in life. Market Fallibility challenges the notion that markets are completely rational and highlights the fallibility of human prediction. Personal anecdotes. Weaves in personal anecdotes to illustrate how randomness impacts investment decisions. Philosophical insights. Offers philosophical insights into accepting uncertainty and randomness. Critique of predictive models. Critiques the reliability of predictive models in finance and economics, advocating for more robustness in decision-making. 26. The Behavior Gap by Carl Richards. Behavioral Finance Insights. Focuses on the psychological aspects of personal finance and investing. Simple Drawings. Uses simple sketches to illustrate complex financial concepts effectively. Investment Mistakes. Highlights common mistakes investors make and how emotions affect financial decisions. Practical Advice. Provides practical strategies to avoid the behavioral pitfalls that can harm one's financial health. Financial Planning. Emphasizes the importance of creating and sticking to a financial plan tailored to personal goals. 27. Predictably Irrational by Dan Ariely. Behavioral Economics. Explores how irrational behavior often governs the decision-making process in economic contexts. Experimental Findings. Presents numerous experiments that reveal how people actually act in contrast to how they should act economically. Irrational Choices. Discusses why people make irrational choices, particularly in the context of money. Consumer Behavior. Delivers insights into consumer behavior and the implications for personal finance. Strategies for Improvement. Offers strategies for improving decision-making and recognizing biases that lead to poor financial choices. 28. The Science of Getting Rich by Wallace D. Wattles. Philosophy of Success. Promotes a philosophy centered on the idea that success comes from doing things in a certain way. Thought and Wealth. Discusses the relationship between thinking in a certain way and achieving financial success. Practical Guidelines. Provides clear and practical guidelines to live by to attract wealth. Positive Thinking. Advocates the use of positive thinking as a strategy to improve one's financial position. Action-Oriented Approach. Stresses the importance of combining thought, purpose, and action to achieve wealth. 29. The Art of Money Getting by P.T. Barnum. Historical Perspectives on Wealth. Offers timeless wisdom on making money from the legendary showman P.T. Barnum. Business Principles. Outlines fundamental business principles that lead to financial success. Ethical Wealth. Emphasizes acquiring wealth through honesty and hard work. Money Management. Discusses the importance of prudent money management and avoiding debt. Entrepreneurial Spirit. Encourages an entrepreneurial spirit, leveraging Barnum's personal anecdotes and experiences. 30. The Snowball, Warren Buffett and the Business of Life, by Alice Schroeder. Biographical Detail. Provides an in-depth and detailed biography of Warren Buffett, one of the richest and most respected investors. Investment Strategies. Delivers insights into Buffett's investment strategies and decision-making processes. Personal Life. Explores Buffett's personal life, his beginnings, and how his views shaped his business tactics. Lessons on Success. Offers valuable lessons on success, integrity, and frugality from Buffett's life. 31. Capital in the 21st Century by Thomas Piketty. Economic Analysis. Provides a comprehensive analysis of wealth and income inequality in Western societies. Historical Data. Utilizes historical data to discuss the dynamics of capital accumulation and distribution. Economic Theories. Challenges traditional economic theories on capital and economic growth. Policy Recommendations. Suggests policy solutions to address the rising inequality highlighted in the book. Global Perspective. Expands the discussion on capital and inequality on a global scale. 32. The Alchemy of Finance, by George Soros. Market Theory. Introduces Soros' theory of reflexivity, which explains the underlying dynamics of financial markets. Investment Practices. Shares Soros' own investment practices and how he applies his theory to capitalize on market trends. Financial Markets Insights. Provides deep insights into the functioning and psychology of financial markets. Real-Time Experiment. Includes a real-time analysis of Soros' investment decisions. Economic Reflections. Reflects on broader economic trends and their impacts on investing. 33. The Outsiders, by William N. Thorndike. CEO Profiles. Profiles 8 unconventional CEOs whose firms dramatically outperformed the S&P 500. Capital Allocation. Focuses on the importance of effective capital allocation as the key to extraordinary corporate performance. Leadership Styles. Analyzes the different leadership styles and strategies that made these CEOs successful. Case Studies. Offers detailed case studies of each CEO's corporate management and decision-making processes.